Shaini said, parting is painful. I would say parting is an inevitable part of life. Parting is part of life, and we meet to part, and we part to meet again. This is law of life. And when I think of you students, class 12 students, bidding farewell to Holy Family, where you were there 2 to 15 years, some of you were just 2 years, some of you for long 15 years. And it is like in the morning I was thinking what to tell you. So I was thinking like a bird and its nest, and so many little birdies there. So once the birdies are ready to fly, they themselves don't go. So what does the mother bird does? Mother bird, she puts them out of the nest. This is what happening today. You are all ready to fly up in the sky. And it is our duty to bid you farewell, to go to a bigger school of life. This was a simple school of life, and you are going to a bigger school of life. Till class 12, you were considered as students. Now after 12, after your result is out, nobody will consider you as students. Isn't it? You are going to a bigger world of life. So students, I will tell you, Holy Family has captured your laughter, your cries, your aspirations, your everything. And you are very much glued into Holy Family, very much glued to the heart of Holy Family. And your success is the success of Holy Family. And your failures are the failures of Holy Family, certainly. And your Holy Family's face is nothing, your face. Your face is the face of Holy Family. So students, once you grow out, please show to the world, the society around you, what a Holy Family is and what Holy Family is. We have tried our level best to give you maximum the best. And I don't know how many of you have achieved it. I hope every one of you have received something from the school life. And not only something, many things from the life, from the school. And students, please be worthy of it, keep it up. Keep the torch of our motto, love and serve. Wherever you go, all may not be that successful as you think, or as your expectation is, or your parents' expectations are. But then you will be somebody successful in life. It's not only academic success. To be a successful person in life, academic results won't help you. These days you hear, after achieving the toppers, sometimes they go and commit suicide. But to be a successful person in life, as I told last time also, students, please be attached to your parents, to God, to your teachers. We connect now, you have a lot of friends around, but please be open to God, please be open to your parents, please be open to your teachers. Once a Holy Family is always a Holy Family. So you will be always treasured, very precious in the heart of Holy Family. You are our precious jewels. So whenever you come, whenever you have problems, or whenever you want something, please be free to come to Holy Family. We are always with you. Not only the success, wish you all the best for the success in examination, coming examination, hereafter in life. And now farewell is over, all the other functions are over. Now you have to concentrate only in studies. This is a special advice for you. I know how your results are. I am not going to say about it much. But then now you have to do well in the examination. Your parents' expectations are so high, so high. And studying in a holy convent school for 15 years, spending a lot of amount for everything, and they have left no stone unturned. So then you have to show it now. This is from your part, now you have to show it. Now all your distractions are over. Please be very serious in studies. And now this 15, you start your pre-board examination on 6th onwards. All of you have to be present. If anybody is absent, please think, unless you read the pre-board, you will not be getting your admit cards. This is very serious. Please be strict and regular. Be present in the board examination, pre-board examination. Study well and appear, not just simply for namesake. You have to do very well. And school permits leave only from February 1st onwards. Because these days when parents call, they say, Sister बच्चे बोल रहे आजकल कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है. आप तो आते ही नहीं. When you are not coming to the school, how you that पढ़ाई होती नहीं. So please students, school officially gives you permission only for last 15 days. Means February 1st onwards. Those till that days there will be classes going on. Whenever students come, you go to the any teacher you like, whenever you have doubts, please clarify it and study well and prepare for the examination well. And I would like to thank our, well you say your juniors, like class 11th students and their teachers. First of all, let me thank Sister Shanti, the Vice Principal. She has done her part very well for arranging all this program and the success of it. Credit goes to her also. And class teachers, Tilakan sir and Shivani ma'am, they have taken a lot of struggle arranging. I saw this morning itself, it's not that easy. Every time I used to think 11th class teachers have got a lot of responsibility, also 12th. So they have done their part very well. And the students, about your program, I don't know what should I say. Wonderful program, excellent. You have a lot of energy and you have 100%. When I was sitting there, I was thinking how energetic you are. You have put your 100% in performing dances and other things. Please put 100% in other activities and studies too. Some of you yesterday itself I told how energetic and they are to perform. And you have done your part very well. Everything was excellent. Super Siddhi Upper. Very nice it was. So now, again, your distractions also are over. Again, you will concentrate in your studies and they will bring good results. Next year, you will be sitting there and your juniors will be performing for you. Isn't it? So once again, all the teachers and not only these teachers, there are other teachers who helped in this and there were so many were there for arranging today's program. So for everyone, I thank from the bottom of my heart. And students, once again, will be missing you very badly. I would say that all of you are so nice, so good. And as Sister said in the prayer meeting, we have punished you sometimes, scolded you, scolded very badly sometimes. But it's all for your betterment. Nothing is in my mind that hurts me because all of you are so dear to me and whatever you have done, please don't feel any hurt in your heart if there is something. Please clear it today itself. Everything for your betterment. Please do well. And as you were all on the stage, I was thinking, why don't you all come for the achievement day also on the stage? On the achievement day, we call the parents of students who secured more than 90%. So why don't you take up that chance also? You were very earnest, very happy to come on the stage, dressed up very well. So please, we are happy to have all 82 on the stage with your parents for the achievement day. Please, this is our heartfelt desire. Please cope up with it and do it. Okay? Thank you once again. Thank you very much. God bless you and may Holy Family, Jesus and Mary and Joseph keep you always near. Thank you very much.